now have more reason to wake up and start my mornings with Starbucks, because now I also have breakfast which will come along with my coffee just at rupees 3.99. For a price of just rupees 3.99, you can choose from any of the combinations Starbucks has to offer. Pair your favorite cup of coffee with a selection of sandwich, eggs or sausages of your own choice. While you are free to make your own combinations, here are some of our recommendations. Well, as for me, my favorite is the herb egg bites with sausage and a latte. But remember, the breakfast menu is available daily only from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. Another better reason to wake up early, right? Well, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. Until next time, this is Gina Linandar signing off.